Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Roblox. You got an error, failed to load library EVR.dll. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, head over to settings menu and from the left pane, click on the option system. Scroll down and click on the optional features. Now right over here, you need to click on the option add an optional features by clicking on the option view features. Now in the search box, you need to type in media feature pack. If it is available, select it and click on the option next or install to install media feature pack. It is not available over here. It is because you can see I have already installed media feature pack right over here. Although if it is not found in features or in edit features, click on the option more windows features. Now here scroll down and you will find media features. Again expand it, check mark both the options. Once you have done so, hit the OK button, restart your PC and relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, open up your web browser and open up this particular DLL website. Scroll down and from here you need to download 64-bit version by clicking on the option download to download this file into your system. Wait for a few seconds to start downloading the file into your PC. Save it into your system and once it is downloaded, open the zip folder, right click on the DLL file and choose the option copy. You need to paste this file in this PC, C drive, Windows, System32 folder. Right click and choose option paste. Once pasted, relaunch your game and this will completely fix out the issue of failed to load library EVR.dll. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.